Hey everyone, and welcome again to this Python course. Let's go now for escaping characters and what does that really mean and how we can manipulate it here in Python. So let me put here an example sentence. For example, sentence 1, which should be this one. This is someone's jacket. Notice something. We have already here a hint that this will yield something weird. I'm using this character, the single quote, as the apostrophe. This is really common. People use this character a lot as the apostrophe on written text. There's other characters that should make the symbol of the apostrophe, but this is really common when people do data input somewhere or writing text. Notice that this quote, single quote, that's being used as an apostrophe on someone's is exactly the same as the single quote that I use to open or close a string. So Python will be pretty confused if I run this, right? Because it will think that this is someone and after the someone, the sentence ends. It will think that this is the original sentence that I want to pass. But that's not right. I want to pass this is someone's jacket. I want to store it in that way. Multiple ways for us to do that. For instance, of course, we can go here and use a proper apostrophe. I would say it's this one. But even so, in a more real life setting, that's probably not that common. People use this single quote as the apostrophe and imagine that our programs would basically blow up just because of this. So we have multiple ways to go around this. Okay, let's see the first one, which is using the escape character. The escape character is none other than using a bar lean to the left before the character that we want to escape. What we are basically telling Python is please ignore this in the function of a Python code, of how this works inside Python code. Just treat it as pure text. Just treat this text as pure text. Don't use it for the normal functioning that you use in Python. For example, the single quote is used to open and close strings in Python. If I use this tab just before the one that shouldn't be interpreted as such, Python will now escape this character. This is the concept of escaping the character. Okay, so when you see people like referring to I need to escape certain portion of my sentence, of my string, then that means that there's some part of the string that is being interpreted as code and should not. And you need to use this tab lean to the left as a way to tell Python that it shouldn't interpret the next character, in this case this one, as it would normally do as Python code. Okay, so if I now print my sentence 1, of course, and this is the most important part, I'll have this is someone's jacket. I don't have the bar lean to the left, right? Because the bar lean to the left is just something that I'm telling Python to escape the next character. It's not part of the string in itself. Although I see it in the string when I declare it, this will not show up in the output. We have other types of things that we can do here also on Python using this escaping concept. For instance, I may want to do a paragraph example. Imagine that I want paragraph example. Imagine that I wanted to have a paragraph here, for example, hi, my name is Ivo. If I try to print this paragraph example, what I have is I and my name is Ivo right next to it, right? I don't have a paragraph, but I have a special escaping character, which is the bar lean to the left, N, to do a new line. And in this case, when I print this, I have, hi, my name is Ivo. Of course, I don't need this space now, and now I can do this. So using the N, notice that this bar lean to the left is not seen in the output. This is the most important part. Of course, we don't want to see this. If we want to print our sentence somewhere, we don't want to have there a /n or a slash in some way. We want to have the paragraph in this way. This is what this represents. So Python will print this string, find this character and say, oh, here I need to put a new line on the output. And that's what it does. I also have something for the tab. These are probably the most important escaping characters that I see right now, but there are a lot of escaping characters that I'll see next. So the tab, basically, instead of a new line, it increments a tab on my text and put it right here. I'm here in the W3 schools link that you can also check for yourself if you want. You can go and search for W3 schools Python escape characters and you'll get to this page. And you see here a more detailed explanation of escape characters and some of the escape characters that you can use. For example, we were using this one, and this one to escape the single quote. Okay, but there are more. If you want to check them and play around with some of them, you can also do it. Just know that this concept of escaping is pretty common here in Python.